Car gears are an essential part of a vehicle's transmission system, allowing the driver to control the vehicle's speed and torque output. The transmission, whether manual or automatic, works by transferring the engine's power to the wheels through a series of gears with different sizes and ratios. Engine power. When the engine runs, it generates power through a combustion process that creates rotational energy at the crankshaft. The crankshaft's rotation determines the engine's revolutions per minute. Clutch or torque converter. In manual transmission cars, the clutch connects the engine to the transmission. When you press the clutch pedal, it disengages the engine from the transmission, allowing you to change gears. In automatic transmission cars, the torque converter performs a similar function, transferring power from the engine to the transmission without the need for manual intervention. Gearbox. The gearbox, also known as the transmission, houses a series of gears with varying sizes and teeth counts. The gears can be engaged in different combinations to create different gear ratios. Lower gears have higher gear ratios and provide more torque to the wheels, making it easier to start moving and accelerate at low speeds. Higher gears have lower gear ratios, which allow the car to maintain higher speeds with less engine effort. Gear selection. In manual transmission cars, the driver selects the gears using a gear stick and the clutch pedal. In automatic transmission cars, the vehicle's computer determines the optimal gear based on factors such as speed, throttle position, and engine load, and shifts gears accordingly using hydraulic pressure and electronically controlled actuators. Output. Once a gear is selected, the rotational energy is transferred from the input shaft to the output shaft, which connects to the differential. The differential's role is to distribute the power evenly between the wheels while allowing them to rotate at different speeds, such as when turning a corner. Drive shaft and wheels. The differential connects to the drive shaft, which transfers the rotational energy from the gearbox to the wheels, propelling the vehicle forward or backward. In summary, car gears work by using a series of gear ratios to manipulate the engine's rotational energy, allowing the vehicle to operate at different speeds and torque levels. The transmission system, whether manual or automatic, is responsible for managing this process, ensuring smooth and efficient operation under various driving conditions.